Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be an update video on some things I want to talk about. So behind me I have here the new Ariens chute deflector cover that I custom make here in the workshop. I want to talk about that towards the end of the video. But first I want to talk about, there's going to be two new channels on top of this channel here, Hot Rods and Homestead. As you guys know, it used to be called John Franco. Well, it's no longer called John Franco, it's called Hot Rods and Homestead. And this is going to be my main channel for garage, workshop, tool reviews, ATV, truck, anything kind of wrenching and review, tool review wise. It's going to be on this Hot Rods and Homestead, and also, homesteading type topics and things like that. My main kind of like lifestyle channel. But I also will be breaking up my content, my thermostat content, to a separate channel. That's going to be called Thermostat Channel. Okay, so that way I'm not dumping it all on this channel, and I can kind of like keep the topics more aligned with the intent of this channel. So I'm going to be taking all that thermostat content little by little and dumping it onto the new channel, Thermostat Channel. So if you're here for that, please subscribe to that channel right now. That way you can be notified once I start releasing new videos. I will be making more of that content for thermostats, programming, all the basic, how-tos and install videos and wiring, all that stuff is going to be all dedicated to that channel now. So going forward, it's not going to be immediate, but I do want to make people aware that I am going to be breaking it up into 3 channels. So the third channel is going to be called Unplugged American. Okay, so that's going to be kind of a commentary, modern day living, more political channel where I kind of like go over different topics and more dialogue with different things. So if you're interested in that kind of content, check out that channel. These are active channels. I just haven't posted anything on them. So please subscribe to those channels accordingly for those type of content. I'm going to be breaking it up into 3 channels right now. So like I said, little by little, I'll be adding to these channels and making 3 channels instead of just dumping everything onto Hot Rods and Homestead. I really want to keep this kind of my garage workshop related stuff and homesteading type stuff, and kind of break up the other content, kind of miscellaneous random topics I talk about onto those specific channels. But those are going to be brand new channels. Obviously, they're going to be starting off from the ground up, so I'll have a lot to do. But that's what I wanted to discuss. The new channels, Thermostat Channel and Unplugged American. So subscribe to those. You won't be disappointed. I have a lot of fun, new, interesting content coming up. Covering those types of different, media and content and dialogue and conversations that I'm going to start on those channels. But like I said, Hot Rods and Homestead is the main channel, and I'm going to keep on doing the same snowblower, ATV, truck, workshop, and Corvette content on here. So don't be worried. You'll see stuff as it comes. But let's talk about now the Ariens snowblower chute. So I went ahead and custom made a snowblower chute deflector. This is the very first one, the prototype, all finished up, and it's ready to go to the customer. I'm shipping this out today, but he ordered up the combo kit, which is the chute deflector and the auger paddles, the self-cleaning auger paddles that I also make for my Honda HSS snowblower. So same thing with the Honda HSS, if you guys have been following. Now I offer it for this is for a Ariens KRAKEN, so the big boy 32-inch badass Ariens machine. This is the same chute that you'll find on like the Pro Series, the Platinum, and the Deluxe. Okay, they use like the same kind of standard big chute. It has a relief cut on the side. When you're looking at it from the front here, it's on the left-hand side, you have a relief cut. This covers all of that. So with the intention of it being a shroud, a chute deflector cover, we want to capture all that blow-by and all that debris, or snow discharge, I should say, from getting into your face and onto the machine and getting all over the place. This contains it into a tighter stream, and it really produces a much better experience snowblowing all around. So I have these on my eBay store. I will put the link down below for the chute deflector and the auger paddle separately. You can also email me down below. I have my contact information if you want to buy these as a kit, and I can offer a small discount, obviously by not going through eBay. So hit me up, direct email, I can PayPal invoice you, and I'll get one made up and shipped out to you. But now I'm offering these for the Honda HSS and the Ariens series of snowblowers. So this one here, it's a one-off. I have the template made up, my design, I proved it out. I'm happy with everything. You have to have a chute at the very top, okay? Measure 5 inches and 5/8. So if you have a 5 inches and 5/8 width at the very top here, this will work for you, okay? Like I said, this style chute, this like part number chute is used on many different Ariens models, especially the big ones, 28-inch, 30-inch, 32-inch. They all use this same chute. But I would verify with that measurement, 5 inches and 5/8 at the very top, that width. That way this is a direct fit and will work with your machine. So the auger flaps are also a great product I offer for the Ariens and the Honda. And if you don't know, these are little flaps that go on the auger shaft. Okay, these are made specifically for the Ariens because they are larger diameter shaft. These are about an inch .326. So 1 inch, 326 thousandths. The Hondas have a 1 inch shaft. These are much bigger. These are made for the Ariens. So these also are self-cleaning and they keep the debris and the big massive mound of slush and snow to build up on your auger, which happens on the Hondas a lot. So if you want that same kind of capability on your Ariens, you basically just bolt these on and you keep them loose. You want them to have a loose fit and they will rotate and move around and self-clean on the auger so nothing builds up on your auger. So that there is the auger flaps and the Ariens chute deflector. These are custom made for the Ariens. I have the Ariens guys covered as well as the Honda guys covered now. So check out my eBay links down below for more information. Email me down below if you're interested in buying this as a combo or by themselves. I can also help you out and give you a small discount on that. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Check out my new channels. Like I said, Unplugged American and Thermostat channel if you want to be following more of my thermostat content and information. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.